Did you know that even WebMD refers to okra being an aphrodisiac, meaning food that stimulates lovemaking? You are not, right? Okra has rich micronutrients as magnesium, which will also remain help fit. I have been on a different kind of diet for the last 2.5 years, mostly raw food based but not completely all the time. So, out of the learnings that I have had during these 2.5 years, I have lost about 11 kgs of weight, which is 23 pounds. And also, I have been rid of many chronic diseases as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, and also a potential angiogram which was recommended for me, which I didn't take eventually. So all those learnings that I had, I want to share with others and then help others also be benefited. That's the purpose of this channel. Let's see how to make this particular healthy recipe today. I am adding half a cup of roasted peanuts. I roast the peanuts in oven at 250 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I feel that roasting in oven gives the finest quality of roasting. So we'll pulse it briefly until it is just broken into small pieces. It doesn't require it to be finely ground, that's not needed. So this should be done. It's pretty nicely done. I am adding about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you want to make it a little more spicy, you could add more of chili flakes. But definitely I wouldn't recommend adding salt, because salt has a tendency to take out water from substances and absorb it onto itself, and in the process that might make the okra slimy, which we don't want. I take these okras and then want to cut them. I want to take off the top portions. You might be surprised that I am using a Swiss knife for cutting vegetables. This is a new gadget that I have got. I always wanted a Swiss knife. Somehow it never happened in my life, and finally it happened today. 2 days back. So I want to try and see for what all purposes I can use this Swiss knife. So we'll cut the okra vertically, making sure that we are not breaking it completely to the bottom, only to be able to make a slit like this. What we will be doing after this is stuff it up with the roasted peanuts. That's the purpose. I'm making sure that the chili flakes are well mixed. So we'll fill this up. That's all. Let me taste it and see if it is worth even posting. If it is not good, I won't post it. It is good. It's not a savory item because there is no salt in this. The peanuts and okra, I mean, that's basically the taste that you get. There's nothing surprising about this. Good, not great, healthy item. You can eat this stuff. If you like roasted peanuts, then I think you're going to like this. So do try it. Maybe you want to have this food more frequently. The reason I have this channel is to help others benefit from the knowledge I have shared in the last 2.5 years. It is in terms of the food, the varieties of foods that I make, mostly raw food but not necessarily always, or it is those learnings that I have had through various types of how I think about life, how I think about exercise, how I understood the body. Those are the things I want to share on this channel. So if you are interested in living a life which is full of lively life and be fit, then I think you can subscribe to my channel and follow some of the videos that I post here. You may like at least some of them. Check it out. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.